Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
It's here for me be about Melodies TV so. Andra maybe make you post be now I've seen say a lot of people are interested in that particular post. People are sending their thoughts on that post. Now answer na meko audios na mo send no na yabono. Ghana phone so more social media and so actually what margin will post so I'll show you the responses on your screen. Na say ya heard the Ghana for Eka. Now something in say Mahama the petition election election petition Mr. petition election sorry Mahama the election petition what they akwa dan Supreme Court say about to no sebe ye wiemu inti no Supreme Court enhwe na about no yento no foforo no President Akufo-Addo etro enkrata ekoma Supreme Court endrechi say asama Mahama eka no sebe abadi anim inti Supreme Court embo Mahama anasem no engu ene President Akufo-Addo nkwa no yes EC boss no Ejin Mensa ono so betron krata ema Supreme Court no say yembo asem ningu na nini mu no nkrofo twa wo madwen nkrofo kasa say ebi mo ka say wala wo kasa nipa ko ne court abe wa court ewi wa fechi akwa tron krata ama Supreme Court say wombo nipa ko no na asem ingu mo omfre asem ne kra intino people are speaking on it but that is the main story. So person twa wadwen e wa asem ne so number na that screen na se no send a voice recording na yebebo ama. Now Joy News a report here on this particular story, I think just 22 hours ago. Now, Joy News also a report here, no, almost say President Akufo-Addo has urged the Supreme Court to dismiss the election petition filed by 2020 NDC flag bearer John Dramani Mahama. Mr. Akufo-Addo says the petition is born out of unfounded imagination and drama mamoti as here. Joy News for ever post this story way. Makwako read the commenter and nama say etie for na me say comment no me de bremo na mo nso mo ahwede Ghana for eka ewo enkrata President Akufo-Addo watro akwa Supreme Court say Mahama asem no maye nya say ye free asem ne kra ye mbomgu once and for all. Now any obi afen no Elikem protocol was say a supposed human rights lawyer and wise elder will say he believes he did nothing wrong and let the courts therefore give hearing to his opponent. Instead, he says his opponent's petition be thrown out without giving him fair hearing. This apprentice lawyer we have for a president, and this is what they call competence. But that way we no mentia here but at the follow president ba kon be so say e ha adwunu na someone ba kon can say President Akufo-Addo you be a human rights lawyer na human rights lawyers nso de ade a wo mo pe ene say ye be court na ya ma obi kwan na ne ba kon nso aka na ne de na e ba ne say na obi a we human rights lawyer no wonu mu track akoma Supreme Court say ma ye ma Mahama ne ye ntie na asem kra ye mbo na asem enye den engu nti eno na nipako ne kan woka se edefulo na edefulo no eye aibe a obeso tre se e ha adwen papa obi nso say Ghanaians should by this time been parking away those old toothless horses out of the parliament. We are no more in NPP era. Please, you are not above the law. The country must work as we put in the constitution. Asema will be in so no. Was it Akufo-Addo's demeanor during his investiture shows he is not a happy man at all. He shows he had lost the election, and what happened in parliament tells it all. Obinso etre say we President Akufo-Addo why and then someone is see what parliament ni atre say about one ankasa no enya ade a we win here. That's what someone is implying. Obinso say so now our Supreme Court as well as their judges can be given orders to comply with, just as the EC, well the precedence is set for the future. Obinso eka say enkrata we President Akufo-Addo atrakoma Supreme Court no hu ne say order President Akufo-Addo edema Supreme Court say yembo Mahama say but to be fair it wasn't an order. It wasn't an order. Ono de watro ne nkrata akoma Supreme Court on share wo mo si ye ka say bibi your order atre say ya share say hey yeah President Akufo-Addo share Supreme Court na say chinchina wo mo enye ono de wa tron krata akwa komo. It is just like ekuadonko embra mahama eye se wo de asem ne court no ekuadonko nso ebetron krata eka se omumbo mahama na asem enye den engu aha enu bi na president Akufo-Addo nso waye no na entiamra but waye etiamra na nka wonye entiamra intino there was a man crofoti ase no obviously what of double standard president is this? You said something today and the following day you change your mind. You and your supporters ask JM and NDC, or say you and your supporters ask JM and NDC to go to court, and they are in court to look at what grammar no. I say okay, mami read it in the Pakuna Trot. I say and they are in court to look at what you are voicing out. Maybe what the person wanted to write and say, and they are in court too. Now look at what you are voicing out. And I am say, grab an uncle ye wohono. I say, are we safe in Ghana? Mr. President, please do the needful by respecting the rule of law and move all over. You claim you are and move. Punctuations no reading no yet you. You claim you are a human rights lawyer, so try and respect the human rights of the citizens. No wonder you have kept mute over the killing of the innocent Ghanaians, whom your militias in soldier and police uniform terminate their lives like fowls. Until now, not even a single word from you to the family. God is not asleep. He will avenge the innocent blood that was shed for you to become a president. Judgment is coming, and it is coming so swift. Asema will be so can the bakono grammar no hard drink akraba de ne bakono person trend say a double standard because President Akufo-Addo nankasa ne ka say mahama mo ana ono ne MPP for and ana ka say mahama omunja protest no na wo mo enko court afa ne bakono akọ court ya afa ti akwa control krata ma Supreme Court say ne bakono kra no yembo na asemingo na tre say wo kra unya ya na nka asem no yenko nkotie e wo court nti nsem a nipakono worker no misusu say no na grammatical errors be wom sano. Now I say, and your presidency is also out of unfounded imagination. You should resign. If not Ghana, where from the earth a suspect standing trial asks the court to dismiss a complainant's case without hear from him or her reasons. Maybe you are guilty of the offense. Ghana is weeping. Blood in hands. This government, freedom of expression tend to culture of silence. And you know, as you can see, a lot of people actually not happy with President Akufo-Addo for writing to the Supreme Court say mahama no nanka yembo na asemingu ma yemfre asem no wo court kra. Now I say, does the president know something that we the citizenry doesn't know? Why is he telling the Supreme Court to dismiss the case? Why don't he allow the rule of law to work? Is it that he doesn't believe in human rights again? He should allow the institution to work, please. Asemwa obinso canon. Hey, Ghana for how do you? Well, say, Mr. President, let's wait for the court to decide. If indeed the Supreme Court dismissed the election petition filed by the ex-president, as you have said, I think there wouldn't be peace in this country. And someone will be can I say, Sisi and the President Akufo-Addo ababetro Emma Supreme Court say womumbo mahama asem engu. Na Supreme Court nso omo nim na womo kotie President Akufo-Addo asem na womo ntie mahama de na omo bo mahama asem na egu without hearing mahama de na Ghana onye sure say asomdwe beba asem will be canon no. I say, then why did your party seconded vote pardon claims in Mahama's petition in your petition too, if indeed it is unfounded? The disgrace that will befall you when the hearing begins, you can't stand it. As someone will be so trying to say, did the President Akufo-Addo what Trump cracked away? Ekwa Supreme Court and say, when him say the nimbe guase intana washada eka sasem weno. I said, this man is still trying hard to wake up from the shock his own MPs gave him. Your party is disorganized, and that should be your main focus, Mr. Ceremonial Leader. Focus. I say, according to him, the NDC petition is relying on inadvertent mistakes of the EC. Mistakes committed 6 times within 24 hours. Only figure pardons would make such so-called mistakes. As someone obi so ekano. So as you can see so far, I have read more than 10 comments, and everyone is sort of bashing the president for writing to the Supreme Court to dismiss Mohammed's case. I say, if not because the rule of law doesn't functionally in accordance with the Constitution, I guess your best destination would have been jail. But the judges at the Supreme Court do not have democratic respect for the nation. Ghana has become a country I call pothole. Mesre, ultra ade on social media. Now, person use brofo akesi at least make sure say o tenses no, your tenses are good. What you say? Ubetrona o tenses no not just say nam ha na person o say obia and na person obia hu say what brofo na wo dey faha mesre. Just write your simple English and go somewhere. Yeah, now you read reading here too difficult. I say the president is a party to the suit and is obliged by law to enter a submission. The burden of proof lies with the NDC. I think that so far no, this is the only comment on the Bakuna air say president no a sue and a sue you know. Now say you sue now or no dear the obeya asem no sebe ebe koni we bia no e wo say wo ye. Inti no saa de we ya wa ye no, just like I said no entiamra say president trauma Supreme Court embo asem ningo no enya ade bi etiamra. So someone is also confirming this to us. I say the court will surely dismiss it because there is no case to sit on. The petition was full of errors, as if they forced them to file it. And also near someone will be Ekan. So far, a lot of people are commenting on this particular matter. I say by first quarter of the year, Akufo-Addo will rather be dismissed by Ghanaians, whilst his Cape Coast High Court evil machinations failed against the Assin North MP. NDC will still use sense to overpower him. So a lot of people are speaking on this particular matter. I say he should keep quiet and meet Mahama in court. I say what has changed? Few days ago, you said it was in the right direction for NDC to go to court. Thus, it's good for our democracy. But today, the story is different. The man they fear, Asamoah will be so air cannon. I say dismiss it, and his people will face you and your bills in Parliament. And also, Asamoah will be air cannon. One time, I join a comment box in for me. That's it.